6 days back from Las Vegas, and I'm still coughing. I was making dinner, preparing it. I was even coughing into my food I'm making. What difference does it make? I already got the cold. Ain't gonna hurt nothing if I cough into it. Where I'm gonna run away and cough someplace else? No, I just cough into the food and keep making it. Which makes me realize my neighbor down the street. Every day around 5 o'clock, he leaves, and I think he goes to dinner. Okay? He leaves his wife behind, he goes to dinner. What does that say about her cooking? He doesn't like her cooking. I'm sure she says, "Oh, honey, you're not going to go out today for dinner." Yeah, I'm going out to dinner. I made your favorite tonight. No, no, skip it. You can't cook worth a damn anyway. No, I'm going out to dinner, just like I do every day.